Welcome back. Students and some staff members of Chogle College held a dharna at the college campus on Saturday opposing the proposed closure of the high secondary section from this year onwards. Management is firm on closing the unit in phases. Principal R.V. Gaonkar said that instead of high secondary, college will provide job and skill-oriented courses.
Students and staff of Chogle College do not want closure of the higher secondary section. They observed a one-day dharna on Saturday. Higher secondary teachers were on mass leave. Professor Shrikant More said that the dharna was staged to create an awareness. They have already made representation to the CM and Education Minister opposing the closure.
If this institution is closed, the students will try to get the admission in other high secondaries, which are not, in my opinion, they are not up to the standard of Chogle. Of late, the Chogle higher secondary has developed its infrastructure, teaching methods, and all sorts of educational developments have taken place here, and in turn the students are benefited because of this.
Principal R.V. Gaonkar has said that management is firm on closing the section. College will stop admissions for 11th standard from this year onwards, and existing 11th standard students will continue till 12th standard. Chogle College plans to provide job-oriented courses in future.
As on today, our decision has remained, and we have said that we are going to close phase-wise. Job-oriented courses to the students, employment-oriented, skill-oriented courses. So when we think of preparing our college for these, so we find that the higher secondary, which we have accommodated in our existing premises, so we should inform the government. We are closing down phase-wise. So that is the reason we have.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
Coming up, we have news from sports. I-League leaders Dempo Sports Club got the better of Chirag United of Kerala at Fatorda on Saturday. The home side scored a 2-1 victory to stay top of the table. All three goals came in the first half at the Nehru Stadium.
Dempo got goals from Clifford Miranda and Renty Martins early in the match to ensure they do not slip up at home again. In the last match, Dempo had lost at this venue to Chirag United, but the four-time champions were immediately back to their winning ways. Chirag, however, fought hard to bounce back with this stunning goal from Vinith. But Dempo held on strongly to their lead and clinched 3 points. Dempo have played 14 matches, won 10 of them while losing 4 matches. A reporter from Fatorda, Savio Dias.
Royal Challengers Margao will meet Iqbal in the finals of Babu Brothers All Goa 2020 cricket tournament at Fatorda on Sunday afternoon. Both these consistent cricket in the tournament, and the finals is set to be a nail-biting affair.
Royal Challengers beat Kursade Warriors by 9 wickets in the first semi-final. Put into bat, Warriors were shot out for only 47 runs in 11.3 overs. Sagar Gosavi was their top scorer with just 12 runs. Royal Challengers bowlers were superb, with Akshay Zuwekar returning impressive figures of 5 wickets for 28 runs. Akib Syed and Akshay Korade took 2 wickets each. Royal Challengers got the required runs in the 12th over, losing just 1 wicket. Nagendra Patil was not out on 25 runs, while Gaurav Desai was unbeaten on 16 runs. Akshay Zuwekar was named man of the match. In the second semi-finals, Korli 11 from Mapsa lost to Iqbal 11 by 73 runs. Batting first, Iqbal 11 scored 162 runs, losing 7 wickets. Alok Deshpande top scored with 40 runs. Zeshan Ali made 36 while Tushar Sawan contributed 34 runs. Korlim's Bhavesh Jain picked up 2 wickets. In reply, Korli were bowled out for 89 runs in 17.5 overs. Ullas AR was the top scorer with 33 runs. Iqbal 11's Mukund Manodkar, the most successful bowler with 3 wickets. Zeshan Ali was named man of the match.
Royal Challengers, you are through to the final.
A Our reporters from Fatorda, Savio Dias and Samir Bhatt.
And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.